Hey, today I am recreating Lexi's makeup look from Euphoria, episode 7. So when I saw that makeup, I was like, ooh, that's really pretty and interesting, and I have to recreate it. So we're gonna recreate that today, and I'm using the Sweet Talk palette from ColourPop, and I'm gonna be using their Side to Side, this shade right here, which is like a very sparkly shade that I think looks almost exactly like what she was wearing. The Warrior 2 palette, we're going to be using the black in here, and only 3 brushes this time. So an angled eyeliner brush, a shadow brush, this is like medium size, a pointed blending brush, oh, and of course a blush brush because she is wearing blush. So I just use this taper one because I like the way it applies the blush really light. Also a concealer, mascara, a felt tip or liquid eyeliner, a pencil black eyeliner. For lips, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild lip liner in Brandy Wine. And for blush, Real Her Not Your Average is this shade right here. Okay, let's get started. Of course, we start by applying our concealer. You know what the real challenge is in these looks? Is making them look exactly the same. Just pat all around the eye, like that. Starting with the pointed blending brush, I forgot to mention I'm starting with this shade right here called Work It. I don't know if she had any eyeshadow. It's really hard to tell with the lighting and how fast she's moving. And even in the picture, you can't really tell. So I'm just gonna do that just for us as a base color. It's kind of a skin tone anyway, so it's okay. Let me just apply it and blend it. And next I'm taking the eyeshadow brush, the medium eyeshadow brush, into the Side to Side, this shade right here. Then just patting it on the eyelid. Now I am going above my crease and apply as much as you'd like. I'm also going to go with my finger and pat some more to really concentrate right here. Just like that. I'm taking the Warrior 2 palette and the angled eyeliner brush into the black. I showed you in my previous video, I always tap when I do this. I don't go like that because it creates a lot of fallout, and you don't want that. So pat, and we're going to start lining the whole eye. And yes, this time I'm starting at the inner corner, and I go back and forth and apply a little more to really darken it. Okay, so from here I'm going to go up towards like the brow, kind of like towards the tail right here. Just go like that, and at the end flick, just go like that, and then fill right here. Press the color in right at this corner right here, right where it meets, and just press to create the mark. This will make it a lot easier for you. I think it's much more difficult to go straight in with the liquid or felt tip, and this just helps. And also it goes up like this, kind of like that, next to it, going down but still kind of out. Last one is going to go down like this. Just press to create that, like that. Now we're going to take the felt tip eyeliner and trace over and do some filling in as well. So trace over the eyeliner. Okay, and we're going to create like a, kind of just join them together right here. Imagine when you cut a ribbon with a little triangle shape, so it's got 2 points. It's kind of like that. Start by lining up here and then going down. I like this felt tip, but it's not the best. The tip. It dries up pretty quickly. I'm gonna line the waterline. So what I did is I didn't go all the way in. I started in here from the last little line we made, really close to the lash line, and all the way in to the inner corner, like that. Now mascara. Quickly do the bottom. And yeah, you probably want to put a lot. Now we're going to do some blush right on the apples of the cheeks. And then lining, and I'm not using any lipstick, I'm just going to line and fill with this lip liner. My lips are kind of dry today. And there it is, the LEXI episode 7 makeup look. This is what she had on, and I hope you do try it out. Be patient if you struggle a little bit. Just go slowly, and I'm sure you'll get it. And if you're good at makeup already, then just have fun. But yeah, I hope you guys like this look. When I saw it, like I said before, I really loved it. The sparkle and the eyeliner really stuck out to me, so I wanted to recreate it for you guys, and I hope you try it out. Don't forget to give my video the thumbs up and that eyeliner splotch. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed for more tutorials to come in the future. And as always, rock on.